In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on RTX in games. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you instructions on how to find ray tracing related options in most games and how to enable it. So usually this is going to be done when you go over to the graphical settings for most games, and it is true for both PC and consoles. If you are doing this process on a console, it is expected that you will only be able to access ray tracing on newer gen consoles, so PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S. For PC, most modern games are going to have ray tracing, so go over to the settings on your specific game and access the video or graphical settings. Now, I cannot give you specific instructions for every single game available currently. For this video, I'm using Fortnite as an example. So, all that you have to do when you go over to the graphical settings of your specific game, like I said, is to look for ray tracing or RTX. If you find the option to enable or disable ray tracing, this is all you have to do. Once it is enabled, you will be able to notice much higher quality reflections and illumination when you play the game. For Fortnite specifically, you have to make sure that you enable global illumination and reflections and you set them to lumen. Now, for most games, this is either going to be a simple toggle, so ray tracing on or ray tracing off, while other games, such as Cyberpunk, will give you much more control over the ray tracing settings. Regardless, what I'm trying to say is that if you cannot find ray tracing on the game graphical settings, it either means that your hardware is not capable of doing ray tracing or that specific game does not offer ray tracing capabilities. This is something that the developers must implement into the game, and afterwards, if you have the software or hardware necessary to access ray tracing, it is going to be available. I recommend that you do your own research for the specific game that you want to play with RTX, and you should be able to figure out if it is available for your title. But if it is, you will simply be able to go over to the settings and turn it on. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on RTX in games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.